Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing soft materials that won't hurt: foam tubing, sponge scraps, or a neoprene sleeve. Cut a 2-3-inch section. Make sure edges are even so flight is predictable. Next, prepare a paper straw as a lightweight core to add stability without creating a sharp point. Once done, attach the core gently. Slide the straw inside the foam or wrap the outside with 1-2 tight turns of tape. This increases rigidity while keeping the tip soft. Now you assemble for balance and consistent flight. Start by rounding the tip with scissors. Do not create a point. The goal is blunt impact. Slide the paper straw 3/4 of the way in or tape it along the outside, then secure with 2-3 wraps of tape toward the tail to avoid front-heavy bias. Test by tossing gently. If it arcs wildly, add tiny glue dots near the tail to shift weight back. Make sure seams are tight. Loose tape flaps ruin accuracy. Finish by sealing any cuts and wrapping the entire dart with a thin layer of tape to prevent fraying, but keep it light to preserve flight. Step back 5-10 feet and make 5 gentle throws, observing drift and wobble. If it consistently veers, trim a millimeter from the tail or add a tiny 0. 5-gram weight. Use glue or small tape squares to correct balance. If persistent instability occurs, replace the core or redo the taping. Maintaining symmetry is why darts fly straight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.